everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am showing you how to recreate this Easter slash spring makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing the products I used and how I use them, then just keep on watching. Before I get into this video anymore, I want to remind you I do have a giveaway going on right now. I posted it the end of last month and you have all the way up till April 27th of this month. It is a huge international giveaway. It is like a collaboration giveaway, and we are going to be picking 3 winners, and there will be 3 prizes and 3 winners for this giveaway. I will have that video link in my description box below. Also add a card right here in the corner of the screen, and add an end card at the end of this video. So just to let you know, I did use 4 new products that I've never tried before. They're not new, but they are new to me. I tried out for the first time the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and yeah, I'll show you what colors I used in the video in a second. But yeah, it was my first time using it and I really do love the shades that I used out of it. I used the green and I used the matte purple that you will see in a minute, and with me pointing at the exact colors. But I will say that you will need a primer if you get this palette. It's not the exact, like, since they are such very bright and vibrant colors, they do take a lot of building up. So a primer or a concealer will be like a must in my opinion. I didn't see any fallout, which is kind of unusual for me. So maybe that has to do with it, because I feel like from my personal experience playing with eyeshadows, the more kickback they have or fallout means more pigmentation most of the times for, like, you know, the eyeshadow palettes that I have used so far. But I do love it and I'm glad I purchased it because it has some very beautiful, bright and vibrant colors in it. So that will be like a go-to of mine, I'm pretty sure. Another new makeup product that I used was this Smashbox the Cali Contour palette. And I use that for a highlight, which I will say is a very subtle highlight, but I do like it. I use the matte bronzer shade as a slight bronze shade. I used the blush in there for a very slight blush. And I did really love this. Some has a lot of fallout, and then there's others that doesn't have that much fallout. But this was a gift, a birthday gift from my friend Angela at work. Thank you so much, Angela, if you're watching this. I do really love it, and I'm going to be continue using it for the rest of the month. Well, of course, I'm going to use it more than a month, but this is not going off my desk. Definitely within the next month, it's not going off my desk. The other new makeup product I used was the Covergirl Total Tease Waterproof Mascara. I looked up on Google to see what drugstore mascara was the best, and I saw that this was the first one that rated the best at the time, and that was cruelty free. So I tried it out, and to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but since it is such a different type of mascara wand, maybe it's something I need to get used to and you know, learn to love it. But so far I find it kind of messy in application, and I don't feel like it. I mean, it lengthens really good, but I need something that volumizes my eyelashes, and I don't feel like this did it at all. I don't know how it wears out the day yet because I did just apply this, but so far I just think it's a little messy on first applying, plus it doesn't volumize, but we'll see. I might learn to love it. And the last product that was my first time using on this video is the Milani Eye-Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner, and this is the blackest black. This is what it looks like out of the package. Yeah, I really love it so far. I will say that I did notice a little crumbling around when I tried to do the little point on the inner corner a little bit, but then again, it might be something I need to get used to. But I did love how it applied. It was really easy to apply, and it didn't transfer at all, and that's a big deal for me because I have hooded eyes and I do have problems with that. So as long as this doesn't dry in 2 weeks, this might be my favorite eyeliner pen. Now let's get into the video and show you how I created this look and what I used to create it. Alright, I'm starting off with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, and I'm going to prime my lids with that. Then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox, the Cali Contour Palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to actually use this as a transition shade for my look. Then I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer to basically set a base for this very beautiful shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to use that very bright green shade that you see, and then I'm going to use these two purple colors from the same palette, and I'm going to go on my lower lash line with this to make a very smoky out look. And since I did have a little fallout and I got messy, I'm using my vitamin C collagen facial wipes to clean up the fallout. Then I'm going to go in with my Milani Eye-Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to create a cat eye with it. And I'm also going in the inner corners with that. I'm using my Smashbox Always Sharp eyeliner pencil, and I am going to do my eyeliner with it. Then I'm going in with the Covergirl Total Tease mascara, and I'm going to coat my lashes with it. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Dolly lashes. After that, I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. After that sets in, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. After that, I'm going to conceal under the eyes with my Makeup Revolution concealer. After I blended that out, I'm going to go in with a Virginic face powder, and I'm going to set the whole face with it under the eyes and then around the whole face. Then I'm going back in with that Smashbox Cali Contour palette, and I'm going to use this bronze shade right here to do a slight bronze up the skin with it. Then I'm going to use the highlighted shade in that palette, and I'm going to highlight with it. This is a very beautiful subtle highlight, but it still pops out a little bit, but it's not like too out there. Then I'm going to use this blush shade in the same palette, and I'm going to go in with it in the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. Then I'm going to use my NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm going to fill in my brows with it. After that, I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss from BAREMINERALS, and this is in the color Groovy. After that, I'm going to set the face with my Milani setting spray. And in case you was wondering, these nails are LA Colors nails, pink French. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked my first impressions of the 4 products that I tried out in this video. Plus, I hope you loved this Easter / spring makeup look. Don't forget about that giveaway that I have in my description box and at the end card at the end of this video. And till my next video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!